Are you searching for the best CNC spindle motor? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best CNC spindle motors in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, G-Penny 2.2 kilowatts ER20 water-cooled spindle kit. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. XILAIYUE 1.5 kilowatts per 2.2 kilowatts water-cooled spindle kit. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. VEVOR 2.2 kW 3 kW water-cooled spindle motor kits. 2.2 kW/3.0 kW water-cooled spindle motor, ER20 collet 3 bearings 8,000 to 24,000 or/min. These spindle motors adopt imported bearings and high-quality stainless steel materials, and their service life is 3 times that of ordinary spindle motors. Widely applicable to engraving machines for wood, stone, metal, and other materials. Technical parameters: ER20 standard collet, powerful bearing, low noise heat dissipation, fine workmanship. Features details: ER20 standard collet. The collet of the CNC spindle is quenched with manganese steel, and the runout is less than 0.005 millimeters, which has high precision and is not easy to break the knife, increasing the stability of the working process. Dynamic balance technology can effectively reduce noise during use. Powerful bearing. The water-cooled spindle motor adopts imported bearings with high accuracy, precision, and durability. Significantly improve the hardness and anti-rust performance. Low noise heat dissipation. The dynamic balance technology can effectively reduce the noise during use. The scientifically designed water circulation system has a better heat dissipation effect to ensure smooth operation. Fine workmanship. The body of the CNC router spindle is made of high-quality stainless steel, equipped with a pure copper rotor. The upgraded version of the aviation plug can ensure the stability and security of the input power. And the dust cover prevents dust from entering the body. Number 4. STYOU 2.2 kilowatts ER20 water-cooled spindle kit. CNC spindle speedways through 3-phase output inverter and adjust the inverter frequency to change the spindle speed. Main application: engrave for wood, bamboo, normal PCB, PVC, PMMA, plastic, bamboo, duotone board, ABS, and etc. Non-metal also can engrave on gold, silver, copper, aluminium, PB, etc. Soft metal surface working. Number 5. Savinsxly 1.5 kilowatts per 2.2 kilowatts water-cooled spindle. The hole in the middle of our clamp is not punched through. The middle screw is the jack screw. The function of the 2 screws on the left and right is to lock. The middle screw function is used when disassembling the spindle. Loosen the screws on both sides and tighten the middle screw. The whole fixture will be opened. The function is easy to take out the spindle. Application: woodworking industry rotor, such as wood door milling, engraving and cutting, furniture producing.